Hi, this is a quick demonstration on how to use LexisNexis Academic Universe to look up court cases. LexisNexis is a large database with a lot of content including news, company information for business research, and legal cases. To access LexisNexis, we'll begin at the library website at library.louisville.edu. From there, we have a few options. We can access LexisNexis via the database's A through Z list, but in this case, we're going to navigate to the database through a research guide created specifically for your course. To get there, we'll select Subject Guides. Here, you'll see a list of guides organized by discipline. Let's go ahead and navigate to Political Science and click on it. On this page, we'll see recommended databases to our left and subject and course guides to our right. Let's go to the Political Science 313 guide. While we'll talk more about this research guide in class, we can see that there's a tab associated with case law and law reviews. Let's go ahead and access this. Here, you'll see a variety of resources related to case law and law reviews, but for now, let's go straight to LexisNexis, which is located under Locating Case Law. We're now on the home page for LexisNexis Academic Universe. Right now, we're going to specifically focus on United States Supreme Court cases, in this instance, Roe v. Wade. To search for a legal case, we'll need to select Look Up Legal Case. You'll see we can search by citation, parties, or by topic. In this instance, we're going to focus on searching by citations and parties. We're first going to search our court case by party names. Let's go ahead and type Roe v. Wade and select Go. Once at the search results page, we'll see here there are many options. You'll need to know some knowledge about Roe v. Wade and working with Supreme Court cases in Lexis and to select the United States Supreme Court case we want. To make this easier, we're going to return to the search page to search by legal citation. The legal citation for Roe v. Wade is 410 U.S. 113. 410 signifies the volume the court case appears in. The U.S. signifies the reporter in which the court case is published, in this case, the United States Reports, and the last number, 113, signifies the page number in the volume that the court case and decision appears on. So, our court case is located in the United States Reports, volume 410, beginning on page 113. This is the most direct way to get to your court case. Since we already have that typed in, let's select Go. What you'll notice is we aren't looking at a set of search results. Instead, the court case citation has taken us directly to the court case. This is what's so helpful about knowing the legal citation, and we'll discuss how to find the legal citation in class so you know how to get to your precise court case. One thing you'll want to do with your court case is to learn what future court cases have cited it. This is what it means to Shepardize a case. The way to do that in Lexis is to select the icon that appears directly to the right of the I information icon on the top left. In this case, it's a red X icon, which means that there is a negative treatment on this case. What this means is that other case law that has cited Roe v. Wade contains a negative treatment of Roe v. Wade, meaning that it has been overruled, abrogated, or superseded. Depending on the case law you look up, the icon may be different than the red X. It could be a yellow triangle, indicating possible negative treatment and advising us to use caution when we look at our court case's decisions if we are relying on it for legal authority. Another option you may see is a green signal, meaning that citing references have affirmed your case's ruling. You may also see a blue icon, simply indicating that your case has been cited, but not necessarily with any positive or negative treatment. There are other treatments that we will talk about in class, but just be aware that in order to Shepardize your case, you will select that icon directly to the right of the I information icon. What we'll do now is select the red X icon, which has indicated a negative treatment on our court case and advises us that this is not a court case decision that has current legal validity. Once Shepardized, you can see the variety of treatments on Roe v. Wade, and that ultimately it has been overruled. As we scroll down, we see Roe v. Wade's prior history before it reached the United States Supreme Court, and below that, the over 4,000 court cases that have cited it since. At the top, we're seeing the jurisdiction of the courts that have cited it. In this instance, we're first seeing other Supreme Court cases that have cited Roe v. Wade. You can also see how the court case has been used in other court cases. For example, in this first one, you can see that it's been both cited in concurring and dissenting opinions. This will be helpful for you in your Supreme Court simulations because it allows you to track the validity of court opinions. This is important because judges and lawyers rely on legal precedent to support their arguments. If you find that a case is no longer good law, as is the case of Roe v. Wade, it validates your arguments. When you Shepardize a court case, you're able to see the current legal authority of cases, and also see how it has been utilized to make a variety of arguments in other court cases. Last but not least, if you have questions about the treatment icons, you can scroll to the bottom of the page where you can find the signal legend, which will help you identify the current legal authority of your court case. This will be important for you to know for your Supreme Court simulation. So if you need a refresher on how to Shepardize a court case, remember this tutorial. This has been a brief introduction for how to search for and Shepardize case law in LexisNexis Academic. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact a librarian.